Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a temp report for Joe in Washington on this Ranger RCI 69 base. Joe, we got this thing truckerized for you. What's that mean for you? Tune alignment, voltage regulator upgrade, electrolytic capacitor upgrades, wide banding of the transmit and receive, all my audio mods, clarifier mods. We got your LED, ultra bright white, wide angle meter lights here. Got rid of them dim wheat lamp bulbs. We got you a high cut noise filter back here for sideband. Let me just show you. Hear all that white noise? Gone. Gone. So it's a big advantage to pull out them weak signals when you're working sideband. Oh, excuse me. Let's just get right to it there. Start with RF power all the way down. Joe, you said you was going to run a straight 4. It's a 50 watt slug. Got you set a 1.5 watts all the way down. It's more than enough. All the way up 12. We'll show you average power swing. So there's 45 watts. 100 watt solid in PEP. Hello. About 97. Now let's roll it all the way down, just in case you decide to run it that low into that 4-pil. Hello. Still gonna get your 97, 98 watts. All right, Joe, it's ready to come to you, bud. It was good talking to you on the phone way back a few weeks ago, and pleasure definitely meeting your acquaintance via the phone. Your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. You've been truckerized. Bum bum.
Get your truckerized tune today. Truckerized.